Want to make delicious vegan recipes but don't know where to start? Calm down, we will help you. Today's video was specially made for people who love vegan food but sometimes don't have much time to prepare it. But we have the perfect solution for you. The Herbal Cookbook includes 100 plus mouth-watering recipes for everyone to enjoy. With this incredibly simple cookbook, we'll show you how to prepare tasty meals in just a few minutes, which we know will help people who don't have much time. Maybe you haven't realized it yet, but the vegan diet is growing day by day. Research shows that there has been a 600% increase in the number of people sticking to this diet, and plant-based foods are one of the hottest trends in the food industry right now. Now see some of the benefits of a plant-based diet. Weight loss, reduces the risk of diabetes and heart disease, helps fight obesity in all age groups, plus increased fiber intake. Vegan foods such as vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, nuts and seeds are low in saturated fat. Even high-fat plant foods like avocados, nuts and seeds do not contain any cholesterol, so a vegan diet is cholesterol-free. The truth is, a plant-based lifestyle doesn't mean you have to force down the same boring, bland foods every day. Plus, preparing tasty and nutritious vegan meals doesn't have to be difficult at all. The plant-based cookbook provides tasty, easy-to-prepare and healthy recipes. The plant-based cookbook is packed with recipes that can be prepared and cooked in 30 minutes or less. With the plant-based recipe cookbook, you'll get so much more. Recipes come in a beautiful full-color cookbook that you can view right from your computer, tablet, or phone from anywhere. It's the ultimate guide to making the vegan diet incredibly tasty, fun, and full of variety that not only makes you healthier, but also satisfies your hunger and cravings for tasty dishes. The recipe book contains real food that you can easily find in your local supermarket. With the right ingredients, you will be able to prepare tasty recipes with ease. So even if you're not vegan, you can try some delicious recipes from this book. The plant-based cookbook contains many recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks and desserts, so it's a complete book. It is worth clarifying that the purpose of the recipes is to provide you with a healthy life, with more energy and disposition. We don't promise that you'll become a supermodel or bodybuilder. The objective of this book is to provide you with a healthy lifestyle, and if you practice physical exercises, you will have better results, because a healthy diet together with physical activity provides you with a better quality of life, and of course, aesthetic benefits too. When you download your package, you will receive the plant-based cookbook with over 100 easy-to-prepare recipes, the 30-day plant-based quick start guide, the green smoothie lifestyle guide, and plans of plant-based meals. If you are interested in this product, we left the link in the video description, so don't forget to check it out. We have reached the end of another video on the channel, and I hope this content has helped you. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for following our content. Until the next video.